Hey guys, it's Kuma, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys a review on two different makeup products. I think I'm going to do the Sugarpill collaboration with Sanrio, the Little Twin Stars lip glosses. This is going to be a first glance because I've never really used any products from Sugarpill. The only products I've ever used from them were their lashes, and I'm hoping these work out really well. So I bought the lip glosses from Dolls Kill. Dolls Kill was having a sale around that time. I didn't have the money for this collaboration, so when I saw it on Dolls Kill, I was like, okay. So if I had the money, I'm gonna go ahead and just get it. So I got them, and they look like this. Oh, wow, you matched my nails. You're not the one. You matched my nails. Okay. So you got Kiki and you have Lala. Right? Yes. Wait. You're Kiki? My life's been a lie. You're Kiki and you're Lala. Did I say that right the first time? Okay. Doesn't matter. Here they are. They're twins. Identically. And the colors are both pink and blue. I think I'm more excited for the blue just because it's one of my favorite colors, and I feel like between the twins, his character is my favorite. So I think I'm going to start off with the pink just because I like to leave the best things for last. So I'm going to do a swatch on my wrist. This smells like fruit. It smells like tangerines mixed with whipped cream. That's some shit. That makes me hungry as shit, and I didn't ask for that. I just wanted to put some makeup on. She swatches like, wow. Okay, these kind of pinks usually make me nervous just because it's so bright and it might look so vivid against my skin tone. Either way, it is very pigmented. I've seen a lot of people use these lip glosses as eyeliners, and I think it would probably look better as an eyeliner on me versus a lip gloss. I'm going to swatch Kiki. It's the same smell. Oh, I'm scared. I don't know why. I was so gentle for this color. I don't even know why. Whoa, this is the prettiest blue I've seen in a long time. And you might be wondering, okay, well that blue is still just as pigmented and just as vivid, but I mean it goes, like it just goes well. It just goes better, like, and maybe because I'm biased, I like the blue better than the pink. And I feel like I would like the blue better on my lips versus the pink. But I feel like both of them are really pretty colors, and I'm kind of anxious to see what they mix like. This is what I needed, sis. This is what I needed. This is what I came for. Okay, I'm like really feeling the shit out of this purple, but we ain't here to talk about no purples. We ain't here to talk about no greens, no oranges, no yellows. Just this pink and blue. So I'm going to start off with Lala, and I'm going to apply it onto my lips. So this is what the first coat looks like. On camera it looks like it's really pigmented, but when I look in the mirror, it's a I take that back. When I looked in the mirror, it looked as if it was streaking a little bit, but when I rubbed it in, it goes on full matte. There doesn't look like there's any streaking or anything. But probably to be on the safe side, I would probably add on another coat. It's drying down and it feels really soft on the lips. Almost as if I'm like wearing cotton. It feels really good. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not sure how I feel about it on my lips. Like, maybe it's just my conscience. I just feel like it's super bright on me, and it's like I'm not sure how I feel about it with my skin tone. Maybe it's just me being self-conscious. I don't know. But overall, it's really a pretty color. I feel like I had to let something like this grow on me. Now I'm gonna be swatching the Kiki lip gloss, and I'm gonna see how this looks. I know what you're thinking. Okay, Kuma, so if you didn't like that pink, how you feeling about this blue, sis? Because she's bright. I love her. I don't understand why I'm so attracted to blue. It's just, it doesn't matter what shade of blue it is, I am a fan. And especially like the way the sun is like blessing my face right now, it really goes. Plus the makeup I'm already wearing, it fits. Both of the colors really fit. So I'm not mad at it. I bought it. So I'm really happy with the colors. I'm just glad that they're pigmented. That proves a lot to me about the brand Sugarpill as a whole. So I'm really digging these lip glosses. Those are the Sugarpill products that I wanted to review. Now I'm going to move on to the second makeup product. And this product is coming from Too Faced. The product that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys is the Life is a Festival palette. So I'm going to be showing you guys swatches of this eyeshadow palette, and then I'll be on my goddamn way. So this palette comes with 12 eyeshadow colors and 1 highlighter. And I'm going to be doing swatches of each one of them. First swatch I'm going to be doing is Young and Free. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of this pink because it's a little bit muted. It shows up kind of ashy on my skin as well. So I'm not really sure how often I would be using a pink like this. Next color I'm going to be swatching is called Rainbow Life. Now this kind of pink I'm a fan of. I'm really a fan of more pigmented pinks, more darker pinks, because I find that they show up much better and much more vivid on my skin. And this pink also comes with flakes of glitter. The next color I'm going to be swatching is called Sunset Dream, and it shows up like an orange copper with some gold accents. Next color I'm going to be swatching is called Desert Vibes. So that's more like a tannish brown. It's a little too pale for me, so I probably wouldn't be using it. It's more so good for natural eye looks, and for me, I'm not natural. So I probably would be avoiding that color in particular, unless I'm doing somebody else's makeup. This color is called Euphoric. I do not have enough arm for these. That's some pretty shit. Okay, so this one is one of the holographics, as you can see. This one comes across really light whitish gold. This color would be more so good for your inner corners or your waterline, just to make the eyes look bigger and pop out more. Next color I'm going to be swatching for you guys is called Fun in the Sun. Yeah, this is what I mean by holographic. This one is more so of a, it's more of a bright green with some yellow accents. It's not really showing up that well on camera. Maybe if I just, yeah, that works better for you guys. This color is Beaming, and she's literally beaming. Oh shit, I'm rubbing all over my arms. So no, those are not 2 swatches. It is exactly the same thing. And this one shows up more so yellow gold. The holographics I noticed are extremely pigmented. This color is called Fireflies. This one I'm expecting to be super green. This one is probably one of my favorites out of the entire palette. It shows up kind of like a cartoon snot. It's really yellow and it's really green. It's kind of almost like a greenish gold. And it looks really pretty. That's the color you kind of think of when you think holographic. The next color that I'm going to be swatching for you guys is called Mystic Rain. This one shows up bluish with some purple accents. It's mostly blue from what I can see on my arm once I twist it around a little bit. You can see majority blue, but when it hits towards the left and the right, the ends of the swatch, it shows up more so purple. Color is called Fantasy. I would say this purple, this Fantasy shade, is probably the most pigmented non-holographic color in the palette. Purple for me always goes well on my skin, and I feel like I'd be using this purple more than any purple that I have in my entire makeup collection. Second to last eyeshadow color that I'm going to be swatching for you guys. This one is called Artist Pass. Oh, I'm so bad at this. Okay, so Artist Pass is basically swatching Mystic Rain and Fantasy together, if you want to be honest. It's really still blue, and I mean, honestly, it's more so of a darker version of Mystic Rain, which is this one here. By the looks of me twisting my arm, it's not really much different. I would just say that Artist Pass is more towards the darker side of blue, whereas Mystic Rain, yada yada yada, it's basically the same color. No point in trying to sell this house if it's exactly the same thing as what you already own, basically. Like, I mean, it's hard to tell you what a swatch looks like when you already saw the first swatch. I'm basically trying to tell y'all that there's a reason why there's this swatch. The next color, well, the last color that I'm going to be swatching for you guys is called Dusk Till Dawn. This is probably the prettiest blue holographic I've seen. I haven't seen many, but this is probably the only metallic eyeshadow that I've seen that made me feel like, damn, I need this palette. It's basically all the eyeshadow shades in the palette. Now I'm going to do a swatch of the highlighter. So the name of the highlighter in this palette is called Unicorn Tears. I just want to know, I don't want to be that girl, but I kind of just want to know, has anyone found out what a unicorn really cries like? How do we know they cry? How do we know they feel anything? How do we know they're real? Are you selling me a dream? I'm not falling for it, Too Faced. You guys are playing too many games with my emotions. It's bad enough you want me to believe that Cerberus was really in that chamber of secrets, or however that movie went, because it's been a long time. Can't wait till Christmas comes around and all the Harry Potter movies comes out and it's gonna be cute. But the point is, you can't fool me. If this ain't what a unicorn cries like, I want my money back. Nope, don't believe you. You expect me to believe that tears aren't clear for a unicorn? All that damn color they got, something has to be off. Something needs to be transparent. Who said the unicorn didn't cry black tears? So this swatch shows up white metallic with hints of purple. With highlighters like this, it's usually going to be a hit or a miss for my skin tone. I don't doubt that this will be pretty. I don't doubt that this won't work for me or will work for me, blah, 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 blah. But I'm already wearing a highlighter, so I don't want to ruin it. But what I am going to do is I'm going to apply some of these eyeshadows onto my face. Even though there's already eyeshadow on my face. That's the secret. I do like this highlighter. I would personally use this more so for the inner corners of my eyes or my waterline. Even though this is too, for me this would be too bright for my waterline, I would definitely use it on my inner corners just to make them pop out a little bit more. Whereas if I was using this for my waterline, it would just to be a way of making my eyes look bigger and more awake. But I think because of the hints of purple that would be a little off for me. But other than that, it's a really gorgeous highlighter color. So the true tea of this video is that I'm already wearing colors from this palette. Sorry. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit more to bring out the colors, and then I'll be done with the finished look. Fun to see. I'm just gonna put it in the outer corners around my eyes. I'm gonna move on to Mystic Rain, and I'm gonna put that towards the inner corners of my eyes. Last but not least, I'm going to put Artist Past in the middle of those two colors. So that is the finished look, yo, and I couldn't be more happier with the way it looks. Honestly, these colors all together, from the Sugarpill collection to the Too Faced collection, it all kind of just goes together and meshes really beautifully. The eyeliner I used is from NYX Cosmetics. The glitter is also from NYX Cosmetics, and my lashes are from Diamond Lash. The highlighter that I'm wearing, if it's still visible, is from, I think it was from FX Cover FX, something along those lines, something like that. This is the final look, and I'm hoping that you guys liked it. I really had fun doing this whole video and the review. Everything I bought is spot on and looks beautiful on me, and I'm sure it'll look great on you guys as well. Yeah, makeup. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do like it, if you want to see more videos like this from me, subscribe, and until then, I'll see you guys next time.